have a peace of mind, and Shwet Vastra is very comfortable for that, as it is a symbol of clearness, saaf ya safai, which is the main part of our India Swachh Bharat. So mind, softness and clearness is very important, and you can wear very white costume. For that, all the exercises we normally do the warm-up exercise. In yoga, we perform somewhat like a startup called Sadilaja. Before that, we want to Namaskar in the yoga style. We shall perform Namaskar. Now for the Sadilaja, we take the alert gesture Samasthiti. First, we want to lose the neck part. Sadilaja means sadla madodu. The gesture is Samasthiti. We can start now. Neck bending by means of forward bending with exhale. Backward inhale. Forward inhale. Exhale. Samasthiti. Next is side bending. We are going to bend our neck right side by means of inhale. Left, exhale. Right, left. Inhale, exhale. Samasthiti. Turning the neck clockwise direction. Start. Inhale, exhale, in, exhale, slowly, exhale. This is the part of Sadilaja. One more in that. Neck part is, head part is over. Now, trunk bending or trunk twisting. Here only shoulder part will be loosened. The same Samasthiti. With that, shoulder part, inhale, left, exhale, in, exhale, in, exhale. Samasthiti. The last part of Sadilaja, spinal cord bending. You can take a distance, or even you can put the free hand on the wrist also. Next step if possible. Entire spinal cord area till abdomen. You may inhale, exhale, in, exhale, in, exhale. Samasthiti. Now Sadilaja is over. Our body is now loosened. Sadlagide. The next best asana is Pada Hastasana. Pada means leg, Hasta means and we have to join together. From Samasthiti only we'll start. Inhale, exhale. Very comfortably. Samasthiti. Next, Tadasana. Tad means palm tree. We call it supposed to be Tad ka Jhad. In that gesture, the Samasthiti is the gesture for that. Tadasana. Left leg, you have to stick on your right knee, side portion, till how much you can afford. Comfortably inhale and exhale. When you feel tiredness, start with limited practice. This is the gesture, Tadasana, Samasthiti. After this, we shall go for Chakrasana. Normally people do in different ways. We will take sleeping gesture. We will make a circle in that. Sleeping gesture. Bring back your leg so that you can stand. Put the hands backside. The entire body weight will be on the hands. Slowly raise your body. Chakrasana. The body circles the earth covering. Down. Samasthiti. Trikonasana. Triangle asana. Gesture is Samasthiti. Just make a triangle of your two legs till an equilateral triangle can be observed. Slowly, you can bend right side and left side by making your hands. You have to touch the feet level by forming another triangle. Trikonasana. Next side. Two triangles we are going to form here. Hence, Trikonasana. Samasthiti. All these you have to do calmly. Now, you have to do Vajrasana. Sitting gesture. Hold your leg so that sole of your leg should touch to your hips. Sit comfortably. Make straight hands. Inhale calmly. No other part. It's a part of meditation also. And many people will do normally daily basis. And in Muslim community also, this is performed in namaz every day. Vajrasana. Next, Padmasana. Sitting gesture. You have to overlap your legs, either left or right leg you can overlap. This is the best sitting gesture for meditation also. Padmasana. Sit comfortably. Inhale. Long breath. Have a breath. Exhale. Comfortably. No hurry in inhale and exhale. Padmasana. Now in the same gesture we can do many asanas. Out of that I would like to tell only pranayama. In that one is Anuloma Viloma. Anuloma Viloma is one of the technique of inhaling and exhaling so that your mind and air can get connected and your soul will be relaxed. So, the procedure, take the position, Padmasana, slowly, you have two nostrils, close one side, inhale, slowly, till your mind gets one reflection. Have a break of 1 or 2 seconds. Close the next nostril and exhale slowly. Repeat. Inhale in the same nostril. Exhale from another side. Inhale in the same. Till mind reaches. Exhale from other side. Inhale from the same side. Exhale from second side. You can start this practice first time with 2 or 3 trials, daily basis. Later, you can go maximum up to 50 times. This 50 times is enough for a normal man. This is the best technique for your Shwasakosha. The pulmonary diseases can be avoided. The next is Kapalbhati. This is a peculiar type of exercise ever I practice from my experience since from 1999. You never feel some like gastric troubles and some abdominal diseases. The procedure is very important. Your stomach must be empty. Don't go it full of stomach. Liquid is affordable. You can have liquid, but don't eat food before doing it. So the procedure is Padmasana. You have to inhale fully inside your body so that your chest and stomach is stretched. You can feel that my body is full of air. Then pause for a 1 or 2 seconds. The next technique is very important. Those who are having the problem of abdominal, don't do directly. Contact your physician. And some movements also. After feeling the complete air inside your body, with the force of your abdomen, stomach, you have to press so that it release like this. Start with the 2 or 3 trials, like this. The stomach pressure will be such that the air releases with a speed of more than 10 to 15 kilometers. This exercise can be done daily basis. The 50 trial is more enough. This is Kapalbhati for a normal fitness of Indian citizen. for all my brothers and sisters, I appeal to do at least these simple asanas which helps your body and mind feel clearance and calmness and energetic. With this, I wish you a happy International Yoga Day and Samasthiti. Namaskar. Thank you one and all who have cooperated us.